Okay, so let's start with your choice, please.
Ano?
It's about making yourself available.
Sarap yan, Bia.
Someone in the public basketball.
Ano hinanap mo?
Dami ba yan? Saka may basa.
Wala na, ubos na.
Managing the basketball, tapos
Pa yung basahan ko.
Ubusin mo na yan, dali. Masarap yan.
at the post, and you see Mark Baker moving inside.
Sarap
Now
naman.
you see players
Sarap naman kumain.
one for Baker,
Ma'am.
that's two for James Young to stay under score.
Mama Mikaw?
That on the Raiders side, you've got moving in to double team.
Mama, malamig ba tayo?
Oo, sabi ko magtira ka ng yelo. Magtira ka hindi.
Moving inside.
Magtira?
Tubig na ano.
So 60 points himself.
Sinasara kita ko magtira ka ng yelo, Lord.
Tubig pa nga.
Kaya mo na ba talaga mo na dyan? Para lumamig.
Pakita natin ang nangyayari.
Kain na dun.
Paa mo!
And the reason
Baka talagang gabi na yun.
here,
Kain na dun. Saan na pagkain mo?
providing three,
Ayaw mo na?
three, two, three.
Punas na dun, punas.
Logical three.
Ito!
He can pass through. So you have Mark Fingers right here, unable to get the pass.
Ito pagkain mo, Beo. Spaghetti.
Did not make themselves available to get the pass. As a result,
Napasok.
Oo.
when on his own,
Tayo yan.
good play,
Uy!
defense.